Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change the border color on an image in Photoshop. So get let's started. Now you can see change the border color. Then we show the layer option. Now select from layer on. Now select from mouse right button option. Now click. Now click from blending option. Now you select from stroke and choose the color. Now click OK. Then again click OK. That is. Then again change color, blending option and stroke and choose select from color. Now click OK. Then again click OK. That is. Now you can see change border color in image in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video.